In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view data in Snowflake. Understanding how to access and explore your Snowflake data is essential for effectively managing and analyzing your information. We'll guide you through the process of navigating through your data, highlighting some useful features Snowflake offers to help you make the most of your data exploration. To start, you'll want to open up your Snowflake account. Once you're logged in, your first step is to navigate to the Data menu. This is the hub where all your databases are visible and accessible. Click on this section, and you'll see a list of all the databases that you have access to. Choose the specific database you're interested in by selecting it from the list. This will open up a more detailed view, showing you schemas associated with your chosen database. Within the selected database, click on the schema that holds the data you are interested in. A schema, for those who might be unfamiliar, acts as a container that holds your tables and views. Once inside the schema, you'll see both tables and views that store your data. Go ahead and select either a table or a view, depending on what you need to look at. Clicking on a table or view will display several key details. You will see the columns that make up your dataset, each carefully defined to help you understand the type of data you're handling. This view is essential as it allows you to see the structure and the type of information each column holds. Several features are available here, such as previewing the data itself. Snowflake provides a handy feature where you can preview the first roughly 100 rows of data, giving you a quick snapshot without the need to run full queries. This can be incredibly useful for spot-checking data or quickly understanding what a table contains before you decide on further analysis. Alongside previewing your data, you can also sort and filter. These options enable you to arrange your data into a meaningful order or narrow down the information you need to focus on specific subsets. Depending on your tasks, sorting by different columns or applying filters can drastically reduce the time spent on data retrieval and analysis, making your workflow more efficient. Additionally, for those seeking deeper insights into the structure or management of the data, you can view the DDL, or data definition language, of the table or view. This will show you the definition and schema of the data objects. Furthermore, managing grants is also an option, which allows you to control user access and permissions. By following these steps, you should now have a solid foundation in navigating and exploring your data within Snowflake, allowing you to efficiently manage your database needs. Thank you for watching, and happy data exploring in Snowflake.